You know, people love seeing big, beautiful sunsets. But for a painter, you have to ask, how do you paint them? Well, I can help. Hi, I'm Lane Johnson, and I love painting sunsets. You know, there's lots of different kinds of sunsets, but they have one common trait. They're colorful. And some of my favorite ones are flaming sunsets. That's right, I'm going to teach you how to paint a fiery sunset. Have you always wanted to create a sunset painting, but were intimidated by those bright, flaming colors? Or worse, tried painting those colors, but instead created a muddy, jumbled mess? I know you love to paint, but you're frustrated. Aren't you tired of just winging it? There's a better way. In a sunset painting, do you understand the importance of contrast, color saturation, and detail? How about the role complementary colors play in a sunset? What techniques can you use to create the dramatic light or subtle shadows for a more realistic sunset? I'll teach and demonstrate these things and many more in my course, Painting Fiery Sunsets. In fact, we'll create a painting together using all the tools and techniques to create a rich, vibrant sunset painting. By the end of the course, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to paint your own fiery sunsets. I invite you to my studio. Come paint with me.